Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Hassan and I will be your guide in a few series of videos about machine learning. This channel will have many other videos on AI and web development. So subscribe to help us reach and help people learn. So in today's lesson we're gonna present machine learning, why do we need it and where do we use it. So in short, machine learning is the process of teaching something to the machines. It's a set of mathematical equations and algorithms that work with a set of data to find a relation. This relation will be used to predict. So how does it work? Let's say that the dog in the screen is our model. A model is a set of mathematical equation and algorithm we mentioned earlier. The dog initially is weak. He have no clue what to do. So we provide the dog with a good training. This is what we call training data. We'll have a video on how to gather and process data in the future. Okay, now the dog is gonna train. In reality, the model will try to find the relation between the data x and y. X which is the column in our data used to predict the y. For example, to predict the car price, our x gonna be the brand, the engine size, the features. The price, which is the value to be predicted, will be the y. There are two types of prediction, numerical and categorical. Numeric prediction are born from a mathematical equation, like the one on the screen. Categories are prediction born from algorithms like decision tree and k-nearest neighbor. Machine learning is used in internet search engine, email filters to sort out spam, website to make personalized recommendation, banking software to delete unusual transaction, and lot of apps on our phones. In the next video, we're gonna talk about supervised and unsupervised learning and dive deeper into key principles of machine learning.